Hey guys, Mike Shaman here, and I'm inside the TubeBuddy dashboard. Okay, TubeBuddy is an extension for your Google Chrome browser that you can use with YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to use that in just a minute. I'm going to show you in the back end right now. It's one of the cool things is that when you sign in to TubeBuddy on the dashboard, they give you this little health report. You can just click on that, and it shows you some of your most vital stats in the back. So your views, subscribers, engagements, this stuff right here, which is pretty cool for your account. That's a cool little feature for the dashboard, okay, or I should say that's the dashboard for TubeBuddy there. Now, one of the things I like about TubeBuddy is that if you go back to your Google Chrome browser and it has it's at a little TubeBuddy icon right here. You just click that and this cool little drop down comes on, okay? One of the things I like to do is I like to use this keyword explorer. And I should tell you, at TubeBuddy, they have like 3 different account sizes. They have like a starter, a rising star, and like a superstar. And they have a free version, which is the one you can use for Chrome. I just got on the starter one because if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, it's like half price. So I was like, it's like $4 or something like that. And so for that little bit, I can get some more information that I want. Anyways, guys, this is what you do. You come over and you go and search your video. How to make a website with WordPress. Okay, you search your video here. And then it's going to come up with your suggestions. Then it's going to say, okay, for your channel, this is going to be, a fair. It gives you a score and everything, and it tells you what the score goes into there. And but it's going to tell you search volume, competition, and optimization strength there, and the videos and the search results. So there's 5 million videos in this search result. How to make a website WordPress. Okay. So that's not going to be the best keywords for me to use. Now, if weighted goes by kind of like what your channel, some to that extent, scores above your specific channel. Okay, so that's what it is. What I do is I just come over here and I type in my main keyword example. And guys, I've been getting better results since I've been using this tool for my videos. Okay, about the last 15 days or so, I've been using this tool, or actually for the last 30 days, I've been using this tool for my videos, I believe. So 30 days, whatever the case may be, I've been using it, and the videos I've been using it on, I can tell have done better in the search engines because of it. So you got keywords up there, or your title up there, okay, and then you're just going to go over here and you can click around and see kind of, okay, so this does that. How to make a WordPress element with Elementor for 2019. Okay, let's just try Divi theme, because that's what I've been using to make a lot of my websites and landing pages, Divi theme. Okay, so you can see that pretty good. Now, what I would do is just how to make a WordPress website with Divi theme, and then maybe I put like 2020 on the end of this, and it does even better. Let's see. Okay, so it does worse. Okay, so I wouldn't put 2020 on there. What if I put the word tutorial on there? Explore. All right, so it did a little bit worse. You can see the search volume here. Okay, I like to get the search volume up because that means people are searching for it more, but it's hard to when you niche down so much. Okay, so you want to go through and you want to so maybe if we take the word out, make, and put in create. See, this is the type of stuff you want to do just to kind of get thing going. Guys, get the TubeBuddy link in the link below through my affiliate link, and I'd appreciate that, guys. And it's really going to really help you out. I wouldn't promote it for you guys if I didn't use it for myself, but you can just see what I just did there. I just upped my my overall score there, and the search volume went up a tad bit. The search results went down a little bit. So you just want to filter out these words. Guys, if you like this, go ahead, like and subscribe to my channel, please. That would really help me out as well. All right, and you can see the search results change a little bit there. All right, so you want to find out, you want to mess around with your title for a little bit and find out that. All right, and then you can see the other results. Who's the top channel? If anybody else if you're in the search results. So let's just see if I'm in the search results for this, because I've been doing videos about this. So just go to results. Owns 4 of 29 results in this particular category. All right, if you scroll down, look, I'm at result 19, result 21, 22. All right, 26. All right, so those are my 4 results right there. So it tells you that kind of information. The trending topics, historical map trending. If your topic's trending, mine's not trending, obviously, because it's just Divi tutorials. Click through and see if you can find the perfect title for you. So I found a few things that are in the 70s, and those are the ones that are actually doing better for me. So find those golden nuggets. Okay, that's all you need, guys. You can watch this whole video, but really what you're looking for is just a golden nugget and being like, okay, now I get it. Maybe if I do this with my videos, that's all you're looking for with these things. And this is just one tool on how to use it. And like I said before, usually I check these boxes if I want the tags, and then I action copy them to clipboard, and then I paste them right in my tags. Okay. And these will give you good ideas about writing your description. So if it's a tag, you should probably try and include that in the description of your video. Okay. Maybe do a sentence about every keyword, something like that. But you want to make sure that you have some of these tags in your videos. All right, one of the other things I like about TubeBuddy is that when you go to somebody's channel, it'll compare you and them together. So if you go to somebody's page and you have the TubeBuddy browser extension installed, you can see this is me, I'm the blue guy, and they're the red guy. Okay, so you can compare if this person's in your particular niche or something like that. It shows you those cool stats, how many videos they posted in the last 30 days, how many total they have, total views in the last 30-day views, their tags. So you can see, guys, how this TubeBuddy can really help you. Now, one other thing I'm going to show you guys is my favorite feature that I didn't even know about this until I was on TubeBuddy. This is my favorite feature of TubeBuddy. Now, if you go back here and you go down to promo materials right here, all right, and it gives you all these links. Okay, most recent upload, there's your link. Most popular upload, there's your link. Channel page link, there it is. This is my favorite one right here though. Channel page with subscription pop-up link. This subscription pop-up link, I believe, has generated a few more subscribers for me, honestly, because what they do is that when you click it, all right, it goes to the page, it pops up subscribe or cancel. So are you sure you want to subscribe? And then you hit subscribe. So that pops up automatically when they put that link there. So if you say, hey, check out my channel, and you post this to your Facebook page, and then you have everybody visiting your website, everybody visiting your channel, you're bound to get more subscriptions just with that link sitting there like that. So that's something cool. And then your most recent uploads, they have an iframe. You can do an iframe on your website with your most recent uploads, which is pretty cool as well. These are some of the things. See, this is what I use right here on my website for, add this embed code to your most recent video. So that's something cool that has as well. Like I said, I use both those things, and TubeBuddy's free, guys. So if you need it, go ahead and use the link below, and I'll see you on the other side.